in your head, so you don't have to say it out loud. Take one step backwards, so we don't have to do this right now. Once it's all out, I will fall down. I know that it's been coming for a while. While I tried, you were focused on a different heart. Heard it beating, I was needing the reassurance that you never gave. Found a way to block these signs out, even when you stop breathing me in, stop taking the time. I focused on the last line. Stop feeling the same, stop looking my way. Pretended it was all fine, so close to breaking down. Still had a smile on my face. You stop breathing me in, I stopped needing my love. I didn't wanna see it. So as you break this heart, tell me now, was it really so bad? Taking a moment to inhale what we already had. Do you feel it? Can you hear it? The tremble in my voice as I came through to the truth. The turns of blindsided, even when you stop breathing me in, stop taking the time. I focused on the last line. Stop feeling the same, stop looking my way. Pretended it was all fine, so close to breaking down. Still had a smile on my face. You stop breathing me in, I stopped needing my love. I didn't wanna see it. Stop breathing me in, stop taking the time. I focused on the last line. Just stop feeling the same, stop looking my way. Pretended it was all fine, so close to breaking down. Still had a smile on my face. Just stop breathing me in, I stopped needing my love. Stop breathing me in, stop taking the time. I focused on the last line. Stop feeling the same, stop looking my way. Pretended it was all fine, so close to breaking down. Still had a smile on my face. You stop breathing me in, I stopped needing my love. I didn't wanna see it.
Weisheit des Tages: einfach mal sitzen, Aussicht genießen.
Wie werden Sie zum Porsche-Fahrer? In 5 Schritten. Erstens, kommen Sie in die Gruppe. Zweitens, donaten Sie mir 200 € auf folgenden IBAN, hier eingeblendet.
Can't get enough of you, baby. Stück mal rück.
Die Viecher sind da drüben weg. Ja, das hätte ich jetzt.
Und machen wir Kopfschluss. Digga, wer geht mit T-Shirt Normalen Schuhe und Kurzhose über Regen wandern. Keiner. Das kann nicht jeder.
Wir sind keine Schönwetterwanderer.
Alter. Jetzt hier, aber warte schon, Bad Württemberg.
Ja, diese Bremsen.
Ich kann nicht bremsen. Boah.